What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna start sanding the Tetanus Shot 240. We got all the scuffing done in the engine bay and the trunk. Ready to sand?
Not really, but we'll definitely do it anyway.
Yeah,
sanding this one's gonna be a little bit more difficult than mine, just because there's...
Why?
It'd actually probably be easier.
Way easier.
Yeah. Started on getting the line all prepared for the...
Slammed out the first coat of sanding, and the sander started spraying some water, so I should have put a water separator on it. But here it is with the first coat of sanding. The top is pretty much sanded, but it's looking pretty good so far. So I think we're gonna go and finish up the sanding today. Tomorrow we're gonna do Bondo.
The bottom.
Oh.
Hold on.
So Luis over here is like a master fabricator.
There you go. How you like that, huh?
I like it.
Not a big deal.
Oh, Salt Bay. We got Salt Bay in the house.
Right?
Luis, so what are you doing?
Trying to figure it out. How does this work?
Are you a professional welder?
No, I'm not.
You're gonna scratch the paint. Yeah, well. It's kind of...
What do you think?
It's kind of good.
It's kind of good.
It's been better. Hey, like you. Bye, thank you.
But pretty much what we have Luis doing is he's making a rear firewall for the back of the Tetanus Shot 240, and we'll get that welded in before we actually start painting the interior of the car. Daniel had actually primered the interior probably in a previous video, but what we're planning on doing is actually painting this firewall so it doesn't rust out, and that we can have a little bit more kind of protection just in case Daniel wants to put a fuel cell in the back or whatever he decides to end up doing. Currently he still has a stock fuel cell or stock fuel tank, and we're hoping to make this thing pretty gangster. Luis, explain what you're going to be doing for this back firewall.
Most likely, we're just gonna seal the back wall completely because there's nothing there, as you guys can see. Yeah, so that way there's no smoke inside the car now.
So what did you do right here while you're welding?
I measured everything. I cut all the lines of the firewall. Pretty much, you know, just cut all the metal, and yeah, that's it. Now weld it back. So now this is a good trick now. Every time that you weld a spot, clean it up as much as you can so it looks much better, you know, like this. And it will be ready for paint.
Yeah, that difference is actually kind of incredible, believe it or not.
Show me what you got.
So what are you doing right now? Are you just trying to test fit it to put a couple tacks in?
Nope, we're gonna weld it. Taps and then weld it. It's good to go. I just gotta hold it as much as back I can. So we'll fit the actually back wall. There.
Luis is just about to finish up. We'll probably pick this up tomorrow, and we'll show you kind of what Luis went over, and everything's gonna get seam sealed, so it's not bad if it doesn't look pretty at this point, but it gets the job done and what we need it to be done. So we appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.